In this video, we're upgrading our VMware vCenter server appliance from version 8.0.3, Update 3i to Update 3j. Instead of using Lifecycle Manager to download updates automatically, we'll use the offline patch ISO provided by VMware and mount it directly to the vCenter. After we download the ISO from Broadcom portal, we need to upload it to a data store visible to vCenter VM. The idea is to mount the ISO in vCenter VM so we can find it later in the Virtual Appliance Management interface. I will upload the ISO file on the same ESXi host where vCenter is currently on. Once the ISO uploaded to the data store, then we have to edit vCenter VM to mount the ISO on CD drive. Remember to check on connected. Then we navigate to the Virtual Appliance Management interface, and on Update, we click on Check Update, check CD-ROM. Eventually, the Virtual Appliance Management interface will load the ISO and Update will become available. Next, you can click Stage and Install or Stage Only. In our case, we are staging first. It will take some time to finish. After that, Install button will appear. Now that update has been staged, we're going to enable SSH to monitor install also on CLI. With SSH enabled, then we go back to Update menu and open SSH client on your PC or Mac and SSH into vCenter. We will use the command shown on screen to monitor the installation. After that, we click on Install, and the first step is to accept the End User License Agreement. Then Virtual Appliance Management interface will start running the pre-update checks. If we go back to SSH windows, we can start seeing CLI posting. That is always a good way to see that the installation is not stuck. The pre-checks have completed successfully. On the CLI, we can also see discovery of vCenter patching components succeeded, confirming that the mounted ISO was detected correctly. The warnings shown here are informational. One relates to legacy update repository files that are not used by this upgrade, and the other is simply a reminder to verify that a backup exists before continuing. With no blocking issues detected, we're ready to start the installation. Then we check. I have backed up vCenter server and its associated databases and click Finish. After that, the installation will start. You can follow the process in the progress bar and on CLI. Remember, is always a good indicator seeing the CLI posting. Eventually, you will see one of the installation checkpoints messages on CLI like, Validate vCenter component succeeded. After a while, we see the installation process. If halfway, we just need to be patient. Watch the CLI posting and never refresh the browser. We have now reached the installation phase of the upgrade. The pre-patch stage has completed successfully, as confirmed by the pre-patch vCenter succeeded message in the CLI. vCenter is currently stopping services and preparing the appliance for the software update. Reaching this point confirms that all validations have passed and the actual upgrade is now in progress. We have now reached the 80% mark, and the CLI confirms patch vCenter succeeded. This means the actual vCenter patch has been successfully applied. The installer is now performing post-installation tasks such as data conversion, configuration updates, and service validation before bringing the appliance back online. The upgrade is now complete, and we've connected directly to the ESXi host to verify the appliance. From the console, we can see vCenter server new 8.0.3.00900 version, confirming that the patch was installed successfully. The appliance has completed its reboot and all core services appear to be running normally. We are now logged back into vCenter after the upgrade. The inventory is loading correctly, hosts and virtual machines are visible, and the environment appears healthy. We do see a couple of temporary HA-related tasks and warnings. This is expected after a vCenter restart because the cluster is reconfiguring VMware HA and selecting a new HA master host. These tasks normally clear automatically once the cluster initialization is complete. The upgrade has been successfully completed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more VMware, virtualization, networking, and Homelab content.